For my upcoming workshop on Adobe Premiere Rush, I shot some video yesterday of my dogs in my yard, and I just wanted to add some comments. Notice, first off, that I'm using this technique of a first-person interview that then cuts away, and you continue to hear my voice while you see the B-roll video of the dogs behind me as I continue to talk. In the video, the interview of me, you notice that I'm slightly off-center. I have using the rule of thirds, so I'm not right in the middle, slightly off. But let me look at the video and tell you some things along with this. So I add some titles and an establishing shot of my house, so that shows you where we are. So anything, even a short little video like this, should have a beginning, a middle, and an end. It should feel like a little story. I shoot video of things that make noise, like that latch. I've shot this all with no tripod. Typically, I like to use a tripod. It really adds a much more professional feel, but the image stabilization can work pretty well in a pinch. This iPad's just too big and clunky to put on a tripod. For the audio, I just used built-in audio on the iPad as well. I have an external mic that I use for my Android phone, and that's really good for like a lav mic. It's good for interviews, cuts out the background noise. An omnidirectional mic on devices they split the difference. They kind of pick up close in and far away audio, so you'll get a lot of background noise. You probably hear traffic behind me right now, in fact. But yeah, dogs are really adorable. They make noise, they move. Just always remember, it's video, so things should move and make noise.
Good boy.
And so the end of this, the dogs come back inside. So again, you see it's a little story. You walk into the yard, the dogs play, and at the end we go inside.
All right, you guys, let's go inside. Come on.